Derrick Reish with LaserTech introduced the next generation laser rangefinder for our TruPulse family. It's called the TruPulse 200i. It's got improved specifications from our legacy models. The TruPulse 200i has a laser sensor that gives us our range, an inclinometer sensor that gives us our tilt angle. And with those two different sensors, we're able to calculate a horizontal distance, a vertical distance, height measurements, and missing lines. Now I want to talk about the key features of the TruPulse 200i. The first thing you're going to notice is how easy it fits in your hand, the rubberized grips. You can feel the ruggedness. It's got an aluminum housing, which makes it water and dust proof. Here we've got 5 buttons versus our 3 on the legacy models. We've made it easier to navigate the user interface. So we've got our fire button, 2 navigation buttons, a menu button to get into settings or systems menu, also a select button to choose any of those options. So it's really easy to navigate as you're holding the unit up to your eye, navigating through all the different menus. Another improvement on the TruPulse 200i is with our optics. We went from a 7 times magnification with our legacy models to a 5 times, and that was based all on customer feedback from previous models. Right when you look through the viewfinder, you can see an ultra bright display. You've got 5 brightness levels that you can manually change for any lighting conditions. Another thing you're going to notice when you're taking measurements is with our true targeting technology. You're going to see a visual feedback. The display is going to flash once you acquire a target. We have a pulse motor also in here, so once you get a target, the unit actually vibrates. And the third is audible. You're going to hear that pulse motor with a little bit of noise. The TruPulse 200i has a new display based off user feedback. One of the good things about this new display, it's got 4 different reticle options and 60% more light transmission than previous models. With the TruPulse 200i, we maintained all our different measurement modes of slope distance, horizontal distance, and vertical distance. But an improvement we added, with all 3 different measurement modes, you take your range value, but you're also going to see the inclination value in the display. No need to scroll to just see the inclination value. We also kept the 3-point height routine and the 2-shot missing line routine, along with the targeting modes: continuous, closest, farthest, filter, and of course standard mode. With our new dual mode Bluetooth module, we can connect to Android devices, Windows, and iOS. With that, you can connect to all different smart devices and use your laser rangefinder with your preferred data collection apps. We incorporated a new feature called Range Gate. This is where we can set a window of short or long ranges. We restrict the laser from measuring outside the window, so it can only acquire targets and specified ranges. Let's go over the key specifications of the TruPulse 200i. Ranging performance is a 0.5 meter to 2,500 meters. Distance accuracy is 0.1 meters to high quality targets within 1,000 meters range, and 0.2 meters to a low quality target or anything beyond 1,000 meters. Distance precision is 2 decimal points to high quality targets and 1 decimal point to low quality targets. Inclination accuracy is 0.1 degrees for angles within 0 to plus or minus 30 degree range. Outside that range, users can expect 0.2 degree accuracy. Wireless communication utilizes Bluetooth version 4.0. It's a dual mode, BLE, and classic Bluetooth for compatibility with iOS, Android, and Windows smart devices. The optics combine 5 times magnification with an ultra bright LED heads-up display that offers 5 brightness levels. 2 AA batteries for roughly 3,600 measurements per cycle. The environmental rating is IP67, waterproof and dustproof. The TruPulse 200i fits in a wide variety of field applications. Some of the applications include construction with crane positioning, forestry, engineering surveys and tree heights, mining, 2D blast design, and electric utilities with pole audits and vegetation management. If you have any questions, please contact us, and thanks for watching.